Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to bend lines in Figma. This is a simple yet powerful technique that lets you create curved, flowing shapes instead of rigid straight lines, perfect for adding more organic and dynamic elements to your designs. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Figma application and navigate to the project or file where you want to bend a line. This could be any design you're working on, whether it's a UI mockup, an illustration, or a wireframe. Make sure you've got the file loaded and ready to go. Next, locate the line that you want to bend. Once you've found it, double-click directly on the line. This action is crucial because it activates the line for editing and reveals additional settings that aren't visible when the line is simply selected. You'll notice that the interface changes slightly to accommodate these new options. After double-clicking, additional settings for your line will appear. These settings give you more control over how the line behaves and looks. Now look toward the bottom of your screen. You should see a button labeled Bend. This is the tool that will transform your straight line into a curved one. Go ahead and click on Bend to activate this feature. Once you've clicked Bend, it's time to actually create the curve. Hover your mouse directly over the line itself. You'll notice that the cursor changes, indicating that you're ready to manipulate the line. Now click and start dragging. As you drag, you'll see the line begin to bend and curve in real time, following the direction of your mouse movement. This interactive feedback makes it easy to get the exact curve you're looking for. The great thing about this feature is that you're not locked into your first attempt. You can continue editing the bend of your line by dragging different points or adjusting the curve further. Feel free to experiment with different amounts of curve until you achieve the look you want. You can make subtle adjustments or dramatic curves depending on your design needs. And that's it. You've successfully bent a line in Figma, adding a more fluid and natural element to your design. This technique opens up a lot of creative possibilities for creating organic shapes and flowing elements. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.